Hey class, welcome to Theater 14A. This is W. Clay, your instructor. I'm going to give you folks a quick introduction to the class, an overview, show you how to get into it, how to navigate it, things like that. So first of all, we're going to go to the West Valley homepage, and you can go through the portal, which will take you to Canvas, or you can go to directly to the Canvas link. So let's see if that works. Sometimes one works, sometimes the other. Alright, here we go. Here is our icon for this particular class in the dashboard. So here is your home page right here. Has the banner, and then it has 3 links at the bottom. I'm going to add a fourth one, which is going to be the office hour link as well. It's not on there yet, but I'll put it there so you folks can get to it. Click on any of these. These will give you a shortcut to these particular areas. So I'm going to go to modules right now. And this will take you to the modules. You're going to be interacting with the class primarily through this. At least that's the way I've laid it out. You might have other ways, especially if you're using your phone, but going to modules first is the best way to kind of navigate the class as I've laid it out. And the introductory module, there's welcome to the class, gives you some info on the class, an overview and outline of the course structure, and then also the first discussion, which is about you, gives you a chance to kind of give an introduction, talk about yourself a little bit. That way everyone else in the class can find out. This is an asynchronous class, so we don't have actual class meetings. This is the way we're going to be interacting primarily, will be through discussions. Okay, so that's the introductory module. We'll go through that. And then your first module, what is a horror film? I'm going to close some of the other ones here. This is your first module of actual class material. And what we've got in there is the favorite monster discussion. This is kind of a general thing just to talk about your favorite monster. And then here's your notes for this particular module. What is a horror film? And then your video links. And your video links are going to include your lecture for this module. And then also this is a trailer. Actually, this was a link to the original version of The Crazies. You're going to be watching the 2010 version. That's what we're covering in the class. But I found that link, so I'm going to have to go find that one again. I didn't realize the link had gone dead. At the very least, I'll have the trailer for you. But normally in your modules and in the video links page, you're going to have your lecture for the class and then also a link to the movie. So you click on here, this goes to the school server, and if it asks for a username and a password, once you put them in once, it should remember from that point onward. But it's WM Clay and then password media. Put those in and then you should be good to go. And then after that, you've also got another discussion, which is the study questions for the movie. And this is the one for The Crazies. Each movie will have this, and these are going to be primarily what we're going to be trying to get as our takeaway for each module and each film. And I will be drawing from these for our exam questions and things like that. So make sure you go into these. You're welcome to interact with each other, but primarily I want you to try to interface with the movie and try to get this from it. Okay. And that is pretty much the way the whole class will be navigating. I'll be giving you folks more updates and announcements as the class goes on. If there's something important coming up, I will let you know. And then if you need to contact me, you can use the Q&A Cafe if you have any general questions. You can also go through inbox, Canvas mail, and contact me through that. And then you can also use my regular school email, and all the contact modes for me are going to be located on the syllabus. Okay? But I think that pretty much does it. Enjoy the class. As I said, if you have any questions for me, be glad to answer them. And you can also come to my office hours, which are going to be Monday and Wednesday from 2 to 3:30. And I'll have a link right underneath the Q&A Cafe right there, so you can contact me that way too.